Hey, this is Soldier 7 here reporting for Right Wing Federation, and this video is going to be about the Arizona Supreme Court case follow-up, which is about, Kari Lake and her challenge of the 2022 Arizona gubernatorial election and so forth, and everything else that has happened between now and then, like, every, case that she's made and so forth. Apparently now it has gone to the Supreme Court of Arizona, and this is just pretty much a follow-up of what we now know and or at least what I know, what I've gathered from what I understand and everything. Now, apparently, from what I understand, at the Supreme Court, almost every claim Kari Lake had was rejected except for one. From what I understand, the one that was not rejected was the signature verification process. And that was the one that I think made the Supreme Court judge say, well, hold the phone. Okay, well, the others I'm going to reject, but this one I am going to send back to be reviewed. So there's that, and even though it's just one, still, like I said in the previous video, when a lot of people were saying, oh, nothing's going to change, Kari Lake should just give up and whatnot, at least mainly the critics and so forth, and some of the people who are not critics but say, oh, she's not going to win or whatnot. Well, like I said in the previous video, hold that thought. Like I said, something similar like this happened in Arizona in the year 1916, from what I understand. Yes, I mentioned that in a previous video about this topic. But yes, even though it was just even though everything else was rejected except for one, even though it was just one that didn't get rejected, still, that's still enough to make people go, well, hey, what the fuck's going on and whatnot. And not only that, there was the 3 whistleblowers, so you also have that. So, yeah, I just remember, not too long when I found out about everything, media outlets and articles were just quick to say, oh, how it was all mostly rejected and so forth. Like, it was pretty fucking biased, if you ask me. Now, like I said, like, we don't know where this is going to lead, but still, just this one thing that was not rejected could be enough to be like, to get people to go, whoa, hold the phone. Now, yeah, there is, like, a lot of issues regarding this case so far, except for this one. Like I said, the signature verification process, that should be enough to go hold the phone. Now, I don't know what that's going to lead to, but hopefully it'll lead to some good, where we'll finally find out what the strange activity was regarding the 2022 election of Arizona, the gubernatorial one, and probably other ones too in Arizona. Now, there's already talks where some people say, Kari needs to move on, try to go for the Senate and whatnot, because apparently that's what the main talks about her now are, aside from this, is should Kari Lake run for the Senate or whatnot. Well, I don't know. I'll probably have to make another video about that regarding where this is going to lead. Now, yes, as of March 30th, there's going to be another regarding, Kari Lake's claims for, yes, here, March 30th. So, yeah. I'm just going to see where it goes from there and probably do another video on it afterwards, eventually. And that's all I'm going to say for right now. This is Soldier 7. Thanks for listening.